a friend of mine, her daughter stopped by with her boyfriend, just a friend, whatever. Anyways, and was having problems with the car and tracked down the issue with the taillights, Nissan 350Z. Tracked down the issue with the taillights being taillights weren't coming on at all. Actually, none of the parking lights were coming on at all. And dads, do better with your kids, because this dude didn't know that those lights weren't coming on, and he's had the car a month. He doesn't know when they stopped working. He didn't know that none of his parking lights were working. You know, none of the marker lights or anything, you know, that usually show up. You know, he had headlights, and that was it. He had turn signals. Thank God he had turn signals, but, you know, this is someone driving around the same streets with you. You know, they're someone so clueless. They don't pay attention to their own vehicle. I'm not picking on this kid. He's a kid. You know, he's not even 21 yet. He's a kid. He doesn't know what the hell's going on. He doesn't know up from down or anything else. And it's clear, so clear, that although he wants his 350Z to be a race car, he has no freaking clue on changing light bulbs. He has no clue on where his fuses are. He had no clue. You know, a doctor or anybody trying to troubleshoot something, or any type of technology person, will ask you, you know, hey, when this start? Well, I don't know. Well, has anything changed since you bought the car? No. Come to find out, his brother, a bigger dumbass than he is, put a stereo in and ran the ground wire to the illumination wire, i.e. he ran the ground wire to the parking light wire. Well, it shows up as ground, I guess. I don't know if he used a meter or what. I would be rather impressed if he did. However, I'm really yeah, I doubt it. I fucking doubt it. Anyways, he ran these wires together, and you know, I took apart lights. You know, again, going on based on the customer's word. I took apart lights, unplugged the lights, and in the 350Z you gotta kind of like jack it up, take the wheels off, and undo the fender wells to get in there and do what you gotta do. So unplugged both the lights, headlights in the front, you know, the whole assembly. Took all the lights out of the back, all the fuses. Had a couple fuses that were blown. I replaced them. The one for the taillights blew again, which isn't only taillights, it's also the marker lights up front. You know, and in case you don't know, the sorry, is my camera like way down here? Anyways, the relay, you know, converts small amount of voltage to bigger voltage, or small amount of amperage, however you want to look at it. Anyways, that's not important to this. It's not germane to the conversation. The relay is built into the assembly that has all of the fuses and everything in it. So this little thing, this little relay is built inside of that. So you have to replace that module. It's not a relay that you can just pop out and pop another one in. So I was trying to figure out, you know, where the short was, trace wires back, and you know, I even it has an alarm on it. I even undid the wire for the alarm for the lights. I did all of this stuff, and I was like, man, like the only thing left really is that radio. I was like, this got a custom sound system in it? He said, yeah. Oh, well, how long has it been in there? Oh, my brother put it in there not too long ago. Son of a bitch. I pull this out. There's not even any screws in it or anything. I pull this damn thing out, right? And I see the wire harness has been, you know, hacked on like it's a Here's Johnny type of job, and it's the door to the bathroom. And I put this I clipped that wire, put a fuse in, everything's good. Put all the bulbs in, everything's good. rewire the radio, you know, for a temporary thing. I didn't solder anything. I just rewired it because, you know, he's a kid. I know he's just gonna turn it on anyways, or find someone else to fucking do the same thing. And so I redid the ground. You know, attached an actual ground to a screw in there, and all that's good to go. Radio works, everything works. You know, he should be happy. You know, he's supposed to come back by today. He never did. Yeah. Anywho, so he's a racer. Fucking A.